3 highly skilled pros. 3 distinct challenges. 1 product line designed to come through on demanding projects. Meet the new Flood Pro Series, a precisely formulated lineup of wood finishes with proven advantages. A high solids formula packs more coverage into every gallon. Products fortified with Penetrol and exclusive flood technology drive protection below the wood surface. And temperature-resistant formulas can be applied up to 120 degrees and down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, opening up more staining days. When homeowners call in the pros turn to Flood Wood Care. The new Flood Pro Series, success down to a science. Find more reasons to choose Flood Pro Series for your next stain project at flood.com.